This time I'll talk about how to make your own template. If you want to set up your own font and font size, after you're doing that, you can, if you want to use this template over and over again, you can do this. Go to the file, save as this PC, and from here, save as tab. You select Word template or Word 19 to 2003 template. You normally use Word template. After you click that, it will go to the template folder directly. So the folder is user, James, and documents, your names and documents, customer office templates. Give it a name, font template, save. For this template, if you go to file again, you can see the option to set up a password for this one. For example, if you're doing that, you type in your password, click OK, retype your password. Oh, click OK. So after that, if you want to open this template, it will ask you password. Let's see. When you open Word, here you have option personal. Double click that. That's the font template we just created. It asks you password. You type in password, it will go back to this template again. So if you create a template from somewhere else and you want to use that for this PC, you can copy it from for example, I save it in USB template. See the template type, copy to documents. Under documents, there's custom office templates. Paste here. After that, if you open Word again, you go to personal, you will see the template you just copy from USB. Open it. So this one is I use WordArt to create a template. I will tell you how to do this one in future tutorial. So that's how you create your template. Thank you very much.